Install the display screen. Remove the 4 screws from the screen. Align with the screw holes on the stand, then tighten the screws to fix the stand and screen. Remove the 4 screws on the device. Align with the base screw holes, then tighten the screws to fix the base to the device. Remove the screw from the support column. Slap the screen stand groove onto the raised part of the support column. Then tighten the screw to fix it. Align the red dot on the screen connecting cable with the red dot on the device's connection port and insert it. Install the handpiece holder rod. Find the corresponding holder and determine the installation direction in advance. First, remove the 4 screws on the device. Align the screw holes of the handpiece holder rod with the screw holes on the device. Tighten the screws to fix the handpiece holder rod. Install P3, P4 handpiece holders. First, unscrew the screw and the holder, then clip the holder onto the slot of the holder rod, and finally secure it with the screw. The installation method for the holder rod on the other side is the same. Install P2 handpiece holder. First, unscrew the screw on the holder, then clip the holder onto the slot of the holder rod, and finally secure it with the screw. Install treatment handpieces. The mark on the handpiece socket corresponds to the mark on the back of the device. Align the handpiece connection port with the device connection port. Push firmly, then tighten clockwise. After tightening, it should be at the 1 o'clock position. Connect all 4 handpieces one by one. Route the P3 handpiece connecting cable along the holder rod and clip it onto the holder rod. Then place the handpiece on the corresponding holder. Route the P4 handpiece connecting cable along the holder rod and clip it onto the holder rod. Then place the handpiece on the corresponding holder. Unscrew the screw of the fixing clip. Secure the connecting cable with the fixing clip. Align with the slot on the holder rod. Push firmly, then tighten the screw from below to secure it. Install the other two fixing clips on the same holder rod. Route the P1 handpiece connecting cable along the holder rod and clip it onto the holder rod. Then hang the handpiece on the hooks of the two holder rods. Place the P2 handpiece properly. Install the filter cup. Align the filter cup with the socket and push firmly. It must be installed correctly, otherwise it will affect the vacuum suction. Plug in the power cord and turn on the power switch. For first-time use, rotate the emergency button to open it. The buttons on the front of the device are for power on and off. Emergency switch. Press the emergency switch to shut down the device immediately. Rotate the red emergency switch to restart the device. The emergency switch should remain in the upper position during operation. Power on and enter password 88. Network connection. Connect to the corresponding Wi-Fi. Once connected, the Wi-Fi icon can be seen in the top right corner. Language selection. Select the desired language. Default is English. User Manage, you can view the treatment records for each account. You can access the operation interface from the treatment record. Guest mode cannot save treatment records. First-time patients need to register an account. Click the plus in the top left corner, enter the information sequentially, then click OK. Click OK to see the list of registered clients. Click to enter. Click to enter the operation interface. Select the treatment area. Recommended handpieces are shown based on the selected area. Eye area main host S1 treatment tip. Face S2 treatment tip. First, install the corresponding S1 treatment tip on the handpiece. Smooth continuous suction mode. Interval suction and release mode. This mode requires adjusting the suction time and release time. Click here. Adjust the IR level. Range 1 to 2, recommended 2. Adjust energy, range 550W, recommended 520W. Inquire during operation and adjust energy promptly. Adjust VAC level, range 1-8 levels, recommended 2 to 4 for face, 1-2 for eye area. VAC mode, recommended low for face, eye area, neck. These three are the current adjusted levels for red light, RF, and suction. This is the real-time vacuum value display. Click Start to begin operation. Interval mode requires adjusting suction time and release time. Recommended 1.0 S for face eye area. Recommended 0.5, 1.0 S for face eye area. Click Start to begin operation. Adjust the IR level, range 1 to 2, recommended 2. Adjust energy, range 550W, recommended 1020W. Adjust VAS level, range 1.8 levels, recommended 3 to 5. VAC mode, high. RF frequency 1M. Swipe to switch between corresponding parameter interfaces. Parameters can also be adjusted on the handpiece interface, which synchronizes with the main interface. Tap to adjust parameters. Select handpiece H1, H2, H3. H2 or H3 recommended for the back depending on the treatment area size. Roller rotation speed recommended 2.5. Roller rotation direction. M1, rotate right. M2, rotate left. Select handpiece H1, H2, H3. H1 selected here. Adjustment for H2 and H3 is the same as the previous interface. Adjust energy. Range 120, recommended 1520. Adjust VAC level, recommended 2.5. VAC mode, high. Clean the device promptly after each use. On the interface, select the corresponding handle that needs cleaning. Select the cleaning time. The corresponding water consumption for the selected time will be shown. Ensure the bucket contains at least this amount of water. Install the hose with the filter element onto the instrument and place it in a bucket filled with water. Remove the operating head of the P2 handle. Point the handle with the operating head removed downward toward another empty bucket. Press start cleaning. Water will flow out of the handle. Once the cleaning time setting ends, immediately remove the hose with the filter element from the water bucket. Drain all water from the tubing.